Okay, it's the 6th of January 2025, just after 1 p.m. We have some weak convection already jumping on the Illawarra escarpment. Today, compared to the last 2 days, we do have some shear coming in. It will be arriving for early evening, 6 to 8 p.m. Unfortunately, it will also be arriving with a mid-layer cloud band that is expected to be a lot of rain. So our best chances for storms are basically in the next 3 to 4 hours, and they're going to suffer from low shear until then. Also, we have a very strong dry line only 50-60 kilometers to our west. It's actually quite hot here, 30 degrees, but we do have moisture here because we're in northeast winds. But that 50-60 kilometers inland, it's west winds. Some microscopic structure there, defining a bit of a updraft base on the north flank. We did see a CG a minute ago. Would have been nice to get a bolt then. Let's head north again. Unbelievable. As soon as I arrived, it started to rain. Not a second before, not a second after. The minute I pulled up.
Hello, Michael.
Yeah.
Michael.
How you going?
What are you doing?
Good.
Say hi to everyone.
Believe it or not, this to our northeast is actually putting down bolts, while the rain core to our west is, yeah. Let's see if we can get one. Nice clear one. Come on. Might have got that, but it's a bit sketchy. Oh yes, finally. Come on, another couple of nice ones. Bit of a mutant one. When I first started chasing, you could set up on roads like this and hardly get a car. Whoa, didn't even see that. Let's just take it in a little bit closer. And thunder without a car. I think this line in front is now weakening off. Nice bolt. Pity about this rain. Another bolt. Another good one. Contrast could be better though. Fair way off though. Oh, that was nice. Still throwing down the odd bolt still. Slight change of plan. There's a new weak base developing out there, plus the wind has swapped around here too. So let's head north. Not the most elegant of places, but quite active lightning wise this storm now. Oh, it's a nice one. Winds from the northwest. Oh. No use chasing this one any further, but that one down there must fail, might do something. quick overview. High base cells to our west there. Oh, missed that. I think we got one. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to like and even subscribe, or click on the link to watch another video.